Alright, what's up you guys? Here we are with another video. So today something came in around this area.
Wait. Something came in. I hate the zooming in this camera. So fucking slow.
Don't zoom in. Just don't zoom. See?
Zoom.
But it's not just gloss black. We also went and got it with these stripes, the M stripes. So yeah, very excited to get this on because as you can see, the chrome is just not good.
That's really no. Yeah, it's annoying.
So let's get right.
I mean, some chrome is good, okay? Not all of it.
So let's get right into the install. Okay, so first, best way to do it is definitely release the bumper a little bit. Just release some of the pressure so you can get back in the back of the grills, you know, to release some of the clips. So first step is definitely, let's take off this weather strip. Voila. And then we're gonna have to take all of these off.
T25.
And that will release some of the pressure on the bumper.
So we gotta take, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 T30s, and then 2 T20, 25? 25.
So screws are off, as you can see. We're only missing these two. So
wiggle it
a little bit, it'll come right off.
Wait, you got one more.
What? Mm-hmm. No.
Wait. There you go.
Okay. We took off the first one. So I wasn't really sure if this is the clearance that you're supposed to have, but Javier got his hand in there somehow and started undoing the clips, so pressing down on them to release while pulling so they don't, you know, clip back in. And he got it out. As you can see, this is the first one. The other one's gonna be easier because you reach from here and you can actually undo them. So it's just the first one that's a big deal. But
and also you want to start, so let's say you have them both, whatever side you pick to do first, you want to start in this corner. This one here, let me see it. So it has 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, 1 in each side. You want to start by the edge, so do this one, then top, then bottom, top again, bottom, and last one this one. You want to do it so you can get the pull easier. That way you don't risk of breaking this or damaging the paint or anything on the clips.
Just to show you kind of what it's gonna look like. Goddamn, what a change.
Ta-da!
Should we just go like that?
Dude, we just go like that. Like, you know how much airflow you get on there?
And rocks and mosquitoes.
Who cares?
Who cares?
It's not our car. But I can literally like.
What are these things? And then these, you just press them back. I know it sounds good, but no, you just press them back. Grills are installed. Now we're just gonna put the screws back so it's properly sealed and we don't have anything loose.
And the weather strip. See? See? Almost blue.
Tight enough to keep the...
Now put the thing on. The thing that goes on the thing that you put in the thing. On the thing.
Alright boys, so this is how she sits. This is by
okay,
far,
it's black at night. You cannot see it.
yeah, you can't tell too well, but bro, I'm telling you in person, if you have chrome grills, get rid of those things. I'm telling you. It
Yeah,
changes
it's like-
the whole look.
Apparently, I don't know how this is not the first thing with it.
Yeah.
Usually the first thing.
It should have been the first thing. Alright, so the video's coming to an end, guys. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, all those nice things. And we'll see you right back with another video very soon. See ya!